Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the crew error code 3_3E1E269B_10. The error reads, "You have been disconnected from the crew servers. Please contact customer support with the exact following error code for further troubleshooting." As per our research, this error occurs when players are disconnected from the crew servers after playing for a few minutes. Many users have reported that they can start the game, but within 2-3 minutes, they receive this error and get kicked out. According to our research, the error is likely server-related or caused by network configuration issues. During our research, we have found that the error stopped after a few minutes, so first suggest you wait for about 5 minutes, then restart your device and check if the issue still persists. If the error persists, try logging out of Ubisoft Connect and then logging back in. Simply open Ubisoft Connect, then click on your profile and select Logout. Then close Ubisoft Connect completely. Then reopen it and log back in, then try launching the game. If you still receive the error, change your DNS settings to Google's public DNS. This has helped some players resolve the error. Simply go to your device network settings. Then find the DNS settings and switch to primary DNS 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS 8.8.4.4. Then save the settings and check for the error. If the error still appears, check if your game or gaming device needs an update. If everything is up to date but the error is continuing, then check if Ubisoft servers are having issues. To check the servers, visit ubisoft.com/n-gb/help, then select the crew from the list of games. Then look for the connectivity and performance section to see if there are any reported server outages. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.